Hello, welcome to Impact ERP. In the previous video, I have shown you how you can download sample CSV file for contact and company. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can separate your contact and company if they are merged in a single file. Just follow the steps. Click the column person name column, and on the top right corner, click sort and filter, and click filter. As you can see, the filtering is turned on for this column. Click this arrow button. Check mark the select uncheck mark this select all, and only check mark the blanks and click OK. Now we have all the companies filtered out, so you have to just copy this, copy, and paste in the sample CSV company file. Paste. Rename this column to the company, and you can remove this column. Now we have our companies filtered. Now we have to filter out the contacts. This time check mark this select all and uncheck mark the blanks and click OK. As you can see, our contacts have been filtered out. Copy all these contacts and paste in the sample CSV contact. Click the wrap text 2 times. You can rename these 2 files according to your need. Now in both of these files, we have to correct some sort of things. So first, we remove commas from both of the files. Select all the columns and rows and press Ctrl F. In the replace tab, in the find word field, you have to type comma and replace with blank. Click replace all. As you can see, the Excel file made 34 replacements. Click OK, and you can close this. Now same we have to do this for the company. Select all the rows and columns. Press Ctrl F. In the replace, you just have to type the comma and replace with, leave this as it is, and click replace all. As you can see, 674 replacements have been made. So our file is now commas removed with the commas, so that we can so the file can be imported successfully in the system. Now the next step is we have to change this file in the text format. So select all the columns and rows, right click and click on the format cells. In this category, let's select text and click OK. Same you have to do with the contacts. Select all the columns and rows, right click and click format cells, select text and click OK. The last step is we have to remove the extra mobile numbers if there are any. As you can see, this column has multiple mobile numbers, so we only need just one, so remove this accordingly. Thank you.